talk about tribalism. Tribalism is also called what? Ethnicity. Yes. This is behavior whereby you behave based on your loyalty. You behave in a way that shows you are loyal to your what? Tribe. You behave in a way that shows you're very loyal to your tribe. In that, even if you don't, I don't want to give example in the tribes, it's very wrong. Tribalism is whereby, I'm just telling you, it's whereby you behave in a way that it shows that you're loyal to your tribe. In that, for example, you are an employer. You are an employer, or you have a big position in the government. Yes, and all of a sudden you need new workers. Of course, there will be advertising so that you can apply, and then you give the jobs. You ensure that all the people, like 90% of the people who are getting what? The jobs are from your what? Tribe. It means that there you are acting. Your behavior shows loyalty to your what? Tribe. Because there were other people. You cannot tell me only people from your tribe are what? Learned. Or they qualify for that specific job. No. So what are the causes of tribalism? Most causes tribalism. Number one is fear of losing power. You fear losing power. Therefore, you employ the people from your what? Your tribe, or you favor them because they are going to treat you differently. You also fear of being extinct. You fear that if you don't employ people from your tribe, or you don't favor them in a particular area, then with time, these people will not be what? Will not be recognized. Also, another cause of tribalism is language. And I know a particular tribe. I know mentioning of tribes here, whereby they don't as in you're talking to them, even in 2 seconds, they don't know which tribe you're from. They will put a word there inside from their own tribe. They will just talk. They will talk about something. They cannot talk for 1 hour. Or they cannot even make a conversation, a whole conversation with the person without including their word. Then they say, I don't know what that word means. What does it mean? I don't know what to say that word is in my own language. They must mention something. And if we usually say if they're somewhere and they discover you are from their own tribe, they will talk their own what? Their tribal language throughout. They won't talk English or Swahili. They won't use it. They will speak their own language full time. I'm not talking about the tribe. So that is what they do, and that causes tribalism. Yes, because I don't know what you're talking about. There's something what it is called, whereby other people are there, but because you don't want them to be involved in your conversation, all of a sudden you talk to the person from your tribe throughout. It's called what in English? This is how it's called. I don't know why I'm forgetting. I remember. Also, administrative boundaries also promotes ethnicity. It's whereby boundaries is whereby we talk about we have those areas that we have counties, right? And these counties are what? These counties are separated based on what? On the tribes, right? Those then they enhance tribalism. Because now if I'm Mkamba and I'm supposed to go and work in a what? Which tribe? I'm supposed to go and work in Western, right? If those people are tribal, they will not allow me to go and work there what? Very comfortably. That also causes tribalism. Also, recruitment and deployment of employees based on tribal. It is whereby you are recruited. We need teachers. We need teachers in where? We need teachers in Kilifi. And all the teachers, you find all the teachers recruited and deployed to Kilifi are what? The Giriama. that will cause tribalism. Because when they go there, they'll just be talking about their tribe and their culture. Yes. From there, let us talk about effects of tribalism. If people are tribal, what are the results? Number one, there is hatred. You belong to a particular tribe, and you're here, you're speaking, the two of you, and we can't hear. Of course, the people who cannot hear or cannot cooperate with it, they start hating. There's hatred because they don't know what you're saying. There's also suspicion, mistrust, and what? It causes tribal clashes. Do you remember that time of election? Yes, people killed. There's tribal clashes. So, what are the remedies? How can we counteract tribalism? Number one, you sensitize the people on the importance of appreciating and respecting each other's tribal group. You educate people also. You educate people on national unity. You educate people on the importance of unity. You promote national unity by establishing national schools. Why do you think we have national schools? Because there we have students from all races. We also have national sports or national drama and music. Also, by encouraging inter-ethnic marriages, whereby you are Kikuyu, you marry a what? A Luo. You are Kamba, you marry what? A Giriama. Also, you promote national language, whereby, like here in school, you're supposed to talk in English and what? Swahili, so that everyone can hear what you're saying. You also encourage domestic tourism. It's whereby you're here in Kenya, and I don't know why people don't do that. We're supposed to encourage domestic tourism. It is over December holiday. You decide now, I'm going to go to Kisumu. Yes? You use in Kisumu, there are boats. Yes? And the environment, the culture, you go to their church like that, domestic. You go to if there's a national reserve there, you go to visit it. And let's say you are Kamba that time, you go there. Or let's say you are a Kikuyu. You decide you are going to Kitui. Yes, in Kitui there is a what? There are national what? Reserves there. You go to visit them. You also interact with the people. That's how you encourage domestic stories. But all of a sudden you hear people, it's on a holiday. They are always going abroad. I'm going to Dubai. Yes? All of a sudden I'm going where? I'm going to Santorini in Greece. Most people nowadays are going there. I don't know why you keep on going. And we have the best places in where? In Kenya. Especially there's one, the very good one in Shiba Hills. We also have one in where? In Meru. So you encourage domestic tourism. What is the Christian approach to tribalism? Yes. Number one, as Christian, we discourage tribalism because it leads to conflicts. It may lead to war or death. Also, as Christian, we should preach love, tolerance. Yes. And as Christians, we emphasize that tribalism or ethnicity should be discouraged in schools, in churches, and in communities and nationwide. From there, we talk about sexism.